Hello and welcome. You will learn what is 1K a day fast track and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, and what about benefits. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. The 1K a day Fast Track program is an affiliate marketing school that teaches people how to make a substantial passive income through affiliate marketing. The course's purpose is to ensure that users may earn at least $1,000 every day. In the following comprehensive review, learn more about this intriguing digital curriculum. What is 1K a day Fast Track? The 1K a day Fast Track affiliate marketing training curriculum lasts 6 weeks. You won't learn abroad how to hear. Instead, you'll learn how to use a 2-page website with a poll, yes or no question, to sell specific affiliate items while also building an email list. Despite the fact that this strategy isn't new, it is widely used and has been proved to work by numerous affiliate marketers. Merlin Holmes earns 8 figures a year using this way. You will not have to build any templates because they are already available. The swipe templates for landing sites, advertisements, and email follow-up are also provided. Merlin Holmes has expressly said that you must follow his instructions and not do things your own way if you want to be successful. He is, nevertheless, always eager to answer your inquiries. Because you will have the precise templates supplied for you, you will not have to perform any guesswork or test yourself. Who is Merlin Holmes? Is he someone we can trust? Merlin Holmes is the brains behind the 1K a day Fast Track program. He claims to be the owner of a multi-million-dollar internet firm, with over $15 million in affiliate marketing revenue over the previous 15 years. He attempted a variety of online money-making tactics, including social media marketing, multi-level marketing, search engine optimization, and others, but none of them worked consistently. He claims to have over 25 years of internet marketing expertise, with a record of generating about $14,000 in a single day. Despite the fact that there are no substantial confirmations of his claims other than images of his affiliate network accounts, one thing is evident from the Fast Track's webinar: Merlin Holmes is not a hoax and knows how to generate money through affiliate marketing. Does this program work? Even beginners should be able to follow Merlin's instructions. Additionally, screenshots of Merlin's profits utilizing the identical approach are available. As a result, it is an effective approach. Those that already have an online profile, on the other hand, appear to have a better chance of obtaining the promised outcomes than total newbies in affiliate marketing. Furthermore, each person's results are unique. As a result, before purchasing this software, you may read member testimonies and evaluations. The following are some of the issues you should be able to tackle if you've completed the course. You're looking for a way to supplement your income from your regular employment. You are dissatisfied with your present work or employer. Wishing to have enough money to spend, travel, and even own property, among other things. You don't have enough money to meet all of your needs. Being unable to generate a passive income. I'm interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. I'm trying to find out more about email marketing. What is Fast Track and how does it work? Merlin Holmes teaches the value of email marketing in detail, offers all the approaches and resources you need for the affiliate marketing company, and develops compelling content in his 1K day Fast Track course. Although the lessons are divided into 6 weeks, you might complete the full program in less time. It all comes down to your commitment and determination to learn from this legitimate curriculum. You will be able to build a profitable internet company if you follow the instructions. Here is how the Fast Tracks works. You'll learn how to do research and identify the most popular affiliate deals. This Fast Track review will teach you how to become a great network marketer with all of the necessary tools. Simply pay attention to the teachings presented. Products, you'll learn how to advertise a product in the best possible way on the internet marketplace. This is critical since different items will be required by your target audience, and you must know what should be given. Optimize your headlines by learning how to write captivating headlines. Create an intriguing method of enticing the spectator, such as using surveys. This is one of the most effective techniques to generate traffic and collect emails without being too invasive and requiring only a little amount of time from your visitors. Email marketing. Create an email list and an email marketing landing page using the email templates. This will be one of the most crucial aspects of your business and the development of client connections. This beginner-friendly training is an incredible opportunity to learn everything you need to know about paid advertising and large money-making strategies. Keep in mind that the 1K Day Fast Track course is just 6 weeks long, but you may utilize the information you get to increase your profits in whatever internet business you own in the future. All of the tactics may be tweaked, and the most essential thing you'll learn is how to create an email list like a pro. Week-by-week training breakdown. Merlin Holmes presented money-making tactics and secrets in the 6-week curriculum The Fast Tracks, which you may replicate to generate money online. The Fast Tracks covers everything from picking the perfect affiliate offer to expanding your email list to creating high-converting landing pages and attracting visitors to your website. The following is a week-by-week training schedule for 1K A Day Fast Track. Week 1, 9 lessons. Merlin kicks off this program with a welcome video in which he offers you a sneak peek at the whole program and explains how you can get the most out of it. Then he shows you how to create a ClickBank account, receive an affiliate link, and earn your first commission online in no time. Week 2, 9 lessons. Merlin discusses list building tactics and demonstrates how to incorporate a yes or no answer poll into your sales funnel and landing page. All of these tactics are over the shoulder, so they're simple to follow. Week 3, 9 lessons. Merlin shows everything you need to make your first successful email campaign. He provides you with tried-and-true email templates that you can use in your email marketing campaign to convert subscribers into purchasers. Week 4, 5 lessons. This week teaches you how to generate money online using ClickBank and other affiliate networks using professional ideas and approaches. These tactics will offer you an advantage over those who are just getting started and haven't had any training. Week 5. For courses, these lessons will teach you how to attract potential consumers to your landing page in order to increase your profits. These courses will assist you in attracting more individuals to your offer. Week 6. 5 lessons. You've already made your first commission by this week, so Merlin tells you how to elevate your game by locating more high-converting offers on ClickBank and another affiliate network to boost your revenue. Overall, the Fast Tracks is an excellent course that will teach you all you need to know about creating affiliate sales through email marketing and turning them into a 5-figure internet career. The benefits. The following advantages are guaranteed with this course. Making a lot of money while simply working a few hours per week. Merlin offers to show you how to earn hundreds of dollars in commission every day. If you retain your full-time employment, you can use this program to supplement your income. The creator reminds you to stay focused on your main goal, generating money. This might help you stay focused and work toward the goals you set for yourself. With this training, you may make more money in less time. You'll learn new tips, approaches, and strategies for generating money online that you probably didn't know about previously. You'll learn how to choose the best product to sell in order to make the most money. You'll also learn about the most popular ones and why they sell. This course will teach you how to create headlines that will pique the interest of potential clients. The money you'll make from what you learn in this course will allow you to satisfy your requirements and even go to locations you've only imagined. Frequently asked questions. Is it really possible for me to earn $1,000? Yes, if you understand and follow the instructions in the course, you may easily make $1,000 from the comfort of your own home using your computer. To achieve this, you must, of course, put up some effort. What is the cost of the 1K A Day Fast Track? The current pricing of 1K A Day Fast Track is $997. I'm not sure if the price will continue to rise. I recommend getting it now before the price goes up. Is there a money-back guarantee for 1K a day fast track? The 1K a day fast track program is of excellent quality. However, if you believe the program is not for you or does not fulfill your needs, you have 30 days to obtain a complete refund. Pros: the program is beginner-friendly, making it ideal for newcomers. It is financially rewarding. It helps you save time. You only work for a few hours to get money. An autoresponder and sales funnel templates are included, making the user's job easier. Beginners will benefit from the amount of weeks given aside for training. It provides all of the necessary details on how to generate money online with email marketing. This is an excellent training for novices who want to learn affiliate marketing rapidly. This is one of the most effective courses for quickly creating affiliate commissions. Sales funnel and autoresponder templates are included. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: for some, the price, $997, may be prohibitively expensive. This is something that not every beginning can afford. Because the creator's outcomes are not common, newcomers should not anticipate the same. You won't be able to customize or alter the course. The author requests that you follow his precise methods. Others may think the introductory webinar is excessively long. However, the information contained inside is crucial. The designer is not responsible if you don't achieve the promised outcomes because you didn't follow the steps. You won't be able to experiment on your own. There are existing templates available. This might prevent you from becoming creative. In the long run, systems that provide done-for-you services may not be appropriate. If you are serious about the business, you will eventually need to learn a few skills in the field, rather than having everything prepared for you. A budget must also be set out for running sponsored advertisements and purchasing more software. The assertions of income appear to be overblown. Conclusion: after conducting extensive investigation, I strongly advise anybody interested in making money online to purchase 1K a day fast track. Email marketing has the best return on investment and is the most cost-effective approach to sell a product. At least once a day, most consumers check their email. More sales, which implies more profits, may be achieved through marketing to the correct audience. This course was developed by a mentor with more than 16 years of expertise. When compared to other online classes, this one has something special. Amazing outcomes were noticed after the course. Some students were already earning over $1,000 per day after completing the course. In any event, you will not be sorry if you decide that this program is not worth it or that it is unable to provide the income that you expect. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee with a complete refund, no questions asked. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your 1K a day fast track today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.